This is how you're going to save a Salesforce email as PDF. Salesforce does not have a native button for this, so you use your browser's print function. First, you're going to head over to Contacts right here at the left side panel, and then from here you're going to navigate to the activity record in Salesforce that contains the email addresses that you wish to save. So for example, I'm going to select a name user right here, or one of my contacts, and then from there I'm going to select this email function right here. So you'll be able to find, or you can enter a subject right here, you can send an email. But one of the things that you can do is you can also do cases. Just type or tap the cases right here if you have available ones, or if the email that you want is coming from here, or you can also just click on show all activities, and then all of the email that you have previously shared will be shown right here. Now what you're going to do next is you're just going to right click anywhere on the screen and select print, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Control+P or Command+P, and then from there, so you can just enter this one, and then you're just going to make sure that you screenshot. So for example, this is where all your emails are that you want to save as PDF. You're going to select that, and then from there you're going to click on the new screenshot, and then you're going to click on save as right here. Now you can save this as PNG, or you can also just save this as PDF. If it's not showing up right here, you can just check it somewhere else. Maybe let's click on this, and then you can click on print right here, and then we're just going to select print as PDF instead of that. So you can see here Microsoft Print to PDF, and then after that we're just going to click on print, and it will be saved as a PDF file to your local computer. And that's it. That is how you can save Salesforce email as PDF. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.